Welcome to How to Create a Backup in Taleo Business Edition. Let's get started. There may be instances in which you would want to create a backup of your data, whether it be just to have that on hand in order to consult that information. It could be, to have a backup in case something might happen to your environment, or it could be a final extract if you're deciding to leave Taleo Business Edition. So how would you go about doing that backup? So as an administrator, you do have that right. And we're just going to go to the administration dropdown and select backup. Now this opens the on-demand backup service, and we're going to go ahead and click on the create backup link. So the first pop-up that you will receive is information letting you know that the backup process runs from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern Time. And the reason for this, for performance reasons, to not affect the performance of your environment during regular business hours. So we're just going to go ahead and click on continue. Now we have two backup options. The first one is to decrypt confidential data. So if you have any fields that are encrypted, such as date of birth or social security number, you might want to decrypt that data as part of the backup so that the information flows through. If you do not check that box, the information will come up blank and you're not going to have access to what the candidate might have entered in one of those fields. And the other option is to include attachments such as resumes, forms, or any uploaded attachments that were done in your environment. So we're just going to go ahead and check that box and make sure it's checked to include the attachments. So that really everything from the environment will be backed up. So we're just going to go ahead and click on continue. And then we receive a message that says that a notification will be sent to us once the backup is completed. Now, in terms of the notification, I will just show you what that type of notification looks like. So it's simply a notification that says the backup process for your environment has finished successfully. Now, just keep in mind that usually you will receive the finish successfully notification around midnight on the same day that you initiate the backup process. Now, going back to the environment, we're going to go back to the on-demand backup service. And now we're going to have a little arrow where it says download decrypted backup. So we're just going to go ahead and expand that. So this is where all the zip files containing your information or your data that has been backed up will be located at, whether it be attachments, the decrypted zip file, forms, images, offers, resumes, any signed forms, and your templates. The bulk of your information will be in the export decrypted zip file. So we're just going to go ahead and open that. And essentially what it is it's your zip file with the export decrypted folder. And if you expand that, then you really have pretty much all the information that's in your environment, such as candidate information, any employee fields, candidate workflows for, as candidates went through the hiring process, any types of approvals. So the bulk of your information will be found in that decrypted folder. So that's how you would go about creating your backup. Hope this information was helpful to you. Have a great day.